So biology, we start looking at a new topic. And if I see you writing, you are taking biology and you're writing mathematics, you are in trouble. Everyone is writing exercise. So today we start looking at what? Excretion. And according to what we said, excretion is one of the characteristics of living what? Organisms. And what is excretion? Excretion is the what? The removal. This is the removal of the metabolic waste products from the what? OD. So excretion is totally different from what? Ingestion. Ingestion is the removal of undigested what? Food, while excretion is the removal of the metabolic waste product from the body. The waste product that the body will remove comes from the what? From metabolism. And what is metabolism? Metabolism consists of what? Anabolism and also what? Catabolic reaction. You remember, Devio? Very good. Now, they are what you call excretory what? Organs. One of the excretory organs is what? The kidney. Now, apart from the kidney, there's also the what? The lungs. Is one of them. So these are the main part. But again, sometimes the skin is also part of that part. According to what we know, the skin is not an excretory what? Organ. It only plays what? A role in what? Excretion. Only when the temperature is what? High. But the kidneys and the lungs are the what? Main. What does the kidney do? It removes what you call what? Urea. That is the main function. Urea is very toxic to your body. As a result, kidney has to what? Remove it. You cannot keep it in your body because it is toxic. As a result, these things has to be what? Removed. That's why we're saying it is the removal of the metabolic what? Waste product. What does the lungs do? The lungs removes what? Carbon what? Dioxide. Does your body need carbon dioxide? No. Your body does not need carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide removes it or comes out through the what? The lungs there. That's why if you are to say, since I'm not going to breathe out, you can even suffocate, you can even die. That's why maybe so that the carbon dioxide does not what? Come out. As a result, somebody can what? Pass out. Are we okay there? Now today we're looking at the kidney there. Then the importance. Sometimes you can talk about the importance of what? Excretion there in humans. One, it helps us to get rid of what? These toxic what? Substances. Apart from that, medicine. When you take in medicine, do you know that medicine can come out together with the urine? That you find that after urinating, that urine is going to be smelling what? Medicine. Medicine is not important. Even alcohol. Why? Because alcohol also comes out. Is alcohol important to your body? No. Alcohol is what? Toxic. As a result, it has to be what? Removed. Are we there? Yes. Very good. Now, talking about that, this is we're looking at the internal structure of the what? Kidney, and that is now the part. So I'll start with the other part, then I come to the internal structure there. Now, these are kidneys. There is the Latin so ukunukuchani ku left, ukunukuchani right. Now, this is what you call the what? The inferior, which is the vena in short. This is the vena what? Cava. What type of blood is going back? Deoxygenated blood. What type of blood is coming is what? Oxygenated. And what blood vessel is this one? Aorta. This is the aorta. So the aorta is the one which is bringing what? Urea, oxygen, nutrients, excess what? Salt, excess also what? Water is coming in. After it comes inside the kidneys is what you call the what? The nephron. The nephron is able to what? To filter off so that all this can remove. But we're coming to the next part there in the formation of urine. There are three processes that occurs in the formation of what? Urine. One of the processes is what? Ultra what? Filtration. It means that all the nutrients, when they come via the aorta, they are filtered off, they are removed. My urea, carbon dioxide, nutrients are needed, excess water, excess what? Salts. All these they are removed. After that, there will be what you call selective what? Reabsorption. Some important things such as nutrients, glucose, amino acids are what? Reabsorbed back into the what? The bloodstream to what they are needed. Then the other one is what? Osmoregulation. Under osmoregulation, If your body has got a lot of water, what will happen? There will be the maintenance of what? Water. If your body has got less water, what will happen? Water will be what? Reabsorbed. That's why you find that the urine that is going to come out, the volume of urine will be what? Less. Because you don't have water, and the color of urine will be what? Concentrated yellow. That shows that your body does not have what? Water. But if your body has got enough water, what happens? Is there going to be any reabsorption of water? No. Water is not going to be reabsorbed. Why? Because there is enough water in your body. As a result, what happens to urine? The urine that will come out to be what? More volume, but again the color will be what? Dilute. Just more like in Chan, the man's chabe. Like watunda, more like utunda chabe man's yeka. You're urinating water. That means that your body has got enough water. But if you're urinating concentrated urine, yellow, more like in skoro, that means that your body has got what? Less water, and that is not what? Health. That's why usiku ngati mwagona, you are told ngati mwamama chape manzi, akuza pogona, please watunda. Why? As you are sleeping, your body is at what? Rest. The only way for you to lose water, because you have taken in a lot of water, the only way for you to lose water is through what? Urine. Because you are sleeping. But during the day, when you take in water, are you told you ngati wagona kaumazuro utunde? Are you told that? No. Why? Because you are losing water through what? Sweating. As a result, the other processes, as a result, you are not going to be urinating frequently. But usiku kumangala mapangoko na kachemba kajakana kabumu kacha. So if you're taking a lot of water, because the only way to lose water is through what? Urine. Now, this one here, the vena, the aorta, when it comes, it branches off into this what? Blood vessel. And this blood vessel is called what? Renal artery. This is what we call the renal artery. And the renal artery here is this one. The one which is bringing blood into the what? The kidney. This is the renal artery. The one which is taking and joining into the vena cava is what we call what? Renal vein. Very important. Mama funza by exam. Don't worry. Excretion is very important because even my exam questions, they come under this topic. So this one branches into renal vein. And what type of blood is this? Deoxygenated what? Blood. And what type of blood is this? Oxygenated. What does it come from? From the what? Heart. From the heart there, with urea, oxygen, excess salts. That's why urine sometimes tastes what? Very good. Let's hope it's yours that you let's hope if you love to drink it, oxygenated. Prima love pachalo. Okay, prima love. I'll do anything. I'll die for you. But that person who is going to die can fail to drink it and believe. No. Hey, let's continue. Then this is what you call the what? The ureter. Yeah, an ureter. Ndiye ututuma tupu. Aka tupu aka nika ureter aka. Oh, sinakambe but renal artery branches goes in. The one which is coming out is what? Renal vein. So the renal vein is this one here. Let me write it like this. Very good. Kai, I'm trying to avoid. Okay, now it's okay. Kai niya. Now namunga nile baba. Okay, so this is. Then it goes to what? Urinary. This is what you call the urinary what? Bladder. The urinary bladder has got upper what? Muscles. We call this as what? Sphincter. Sphincter what? Muscle. What do these do? They are the one that enables you to what? To hold what? Urine. Or as you are wondering there, matunda pause, matunda pause. Where it is coming out from is called the what? The urethra. This is the tube. The urethra is where urine passes out of the what? The body. That's why my babies, their sphincter muscles does not what? Work. It is very dangerous to be beating the child every time they what? They urinate. Why? Their sphincter muscles is not what? Working. Once they start having what you call the withdrawal syndrome. They start having my symptoms because of kufana. And you should understand that is a child, but teach the child because their sphincter muscles is not what are strong enough to hold the urine. So once urine comes, it has to come out like that. Okay, there. Very good. Then let's look at the internal structure of the kidney. Here kunja is what you call the what? The cortex. Alipo pakapepa hapo cheki mama notes hapo. This is what the cortex. Followed by ili mukatu tuzovu ndetu chane medulla. Ilipo mwayo wanatevyo medulla. Tapo ewa Medulla. After medulla, there is ichili hapa somewhere at pelvis. Ilipo somewhere hapa pelvis, ichili hapa, so ichishane pelvis. I think those are the most important parts there. But nizi hapo palituna ngotuma parts uto atitumachani uto paliko cortex, it's outside. This whole thing here is what the cortex. After the cortex there's what medulla. Then there is tumachani uto tuma papilla ututo papilla. In English, those time I was in America, it's papilla. Then renal pyramid. Have you seen the renal pyramid? The renal pyramid are these kai aya jema chanya aya ma medulla. Then mukatu my renal pyramid, and then there's the ureter, the renal pelvis, or just pelvis, or renal pelvis. The connection here, so there's renal pelvis there. I think those are the most important parts there that we have. So by exam, they can maybe just ask you about the medulla and also cortex and also the pelvis. They also ask you about the renal vein and also renal artery and also the ureter. This is where now everything now after their filtered there is selective reabsorption and also osmoregulation. Whatever that remains, my excess salt structure, they need to go and they'll be collected into the urinary bladder. Waiting once it is full, then the pressure is filled there, then it has to be removed outside. Now, the kidney is surrounded by a layer of fat that protects it against injury. The kidney is surrounded by a tough fibrous membrane called the renal capsule. So outside there, that is why you can find the renal capsule. It is surrounded by the renal capsule. The region immediately below the capsule is called the cortex. In short, why is the renal capsule? The renal capsule is where? Outside. It's chilling. Just immediately after, we're going to have the cortex. So it shows the membrane. It shows let me just outline it. Shows membrane is what you call the renal capsule. Awas babemba bakopo at renal capsule. It's okay. Yeah, same to you. At the renal capsule. It's okay. Then after that, the region immediately below the capsule is called the cortex. The cortex contains small blood vessels called arterioles that branch from the renal artery. It contains nephron, which is the kidney tubule. We'll come to the nephron. I think man chona for an exam. Chema bwera so. Chema chirimola ikina chikapu hapa so. Chabwera so. Then ntambo ya bwera. Then chabunga na hapa so. Chaindao. Chabwera chapomba na huku. Na hapa chapomba na chaindao. Mwana chona hapa. Binei. Dear man next week. Dear Milo. In short, not even next week. Milo. Tripani nephron. You don't come, it's at your own risk. Hello, I'm a question. For example, yes. A lot. And this is what you call the nephron. Akakali hapa bombers capsule. Let me not go into details. We'll come and look at this tomorrow. So this is the nephron now. Most of the questions check at Africa. Two. Now paper one. Ichi. Stima short. Ero ni mayo pasadi. That's when we're looking at it. Once my repeat and shanty and go, it has passed already. Venue. I think it's here. Okay, let's proceed first. Nephron can be seen with a microscope. A kidney has about a million of nephrons. The nephron runs from the middle of the kidney called the medulla. So it runs from the medulla up to the other side, up to the renal pyramids there. Then after that, there is what you call urine is taken by the tubes to the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis connects with the ureters, which carry the urine to the bladder. But after the urine is made here by the nephron, inside here there are a million of nephron and the processes that occurs there are three of them. Mean that ultrafiltration, selective reabsorption, and osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is the regulation of water. Selective reabsorption is the reabsorption of important nutrients. We look at that. Sometimes our schools, for example, mention three processes that are involved in the formation of urine. Very good. So the three processes that are involved in the formation of urine is ultrafiltration, then selective reabsorption, and osmoregulation. These about each again. Internal structure of the kidney. tonight chamene twazakubuza chamene ka X about which tube is maybe collects urine maybe or delivers urine to the urinary bladder pakapakapo A, B, C, maybe D paka. We know that it is what ureter there. But there are some people that have got a problem with this, but to come to look at what will happen if at all you have got what a problem with the kidneys, whereby you can either use the kidney dialysis machine or you can use kidney transplant. So that those two ways. Benangu akasema kama says mama says chapeka tube kanacho kachape pamara like that. Are you identified from there? You've seen that before? Very good. Yes. So come and look at that. Yes.
What does the selective absorption
You didn't get no, don't worry. We're coming there tomorrow. I don't want to go into details, but I just want the selective reabsorption. This is the reabsorption of important nutrients into the bloodstream. And those important nutrients that are going to absorb into the bloodstream, one of them is what? Glucose. Or we're talking about amino acids. These are needed. So as a result, they will be reabsorbed back, but they will be removed more like was safer by ultraviolet filtration. Is that safer my oxygen, nutrients, excess what viscera. Once viscera, what happened? Deoxygenated blood goes what? Backwards. So when this remains, they will start now moving into this region. Nephron, you understand tomorrow. After that, there will be a region where there will be selective what? Reabsorption. And the last region, it will be osmotic, osmoregulation. Ero kama bwera ka question so je kabwera to apa kabwera chibomans capsule glomerulus what filtrate apa kabwera tutambo kabwera so then tunango topita apa tokuta pomba na apa so yapitirira futa gena kuda pomba na then they go to the what group of what head name. So the first part that occurs here is what? Outer what? Filtration. Kind blood is coming. Which blood is that? From the renal, from the aorta to the renal artery. When it comes here, upper, the first thing is that outer what? Filtration. Everything is removed. Urea, oxygen, nutrients, excess excess salts, excess water, they remain here. After that, they will start moving here. The first thing that will happen here is what? Selective what? Reabsorption. All the glucose, amino acids are what? Reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. The third and the second combinated region here, it is now for what? Osmoregulation. This is now the one that will maintain. Kama kwenda kasoka baadaye papa 1, papa 2, papa 3. The brokers that what processes occur at 1, 2, 3. Check kata fluid. I think it's there. The question is there. So papa first is what? Outer what? Filtration. Papa chani selective reabsorption. Then this is what? Osmoregulation. This is when you have got low water levels in your body, the pituitary gland now will secrete a hormone called what? Antidiuretic what? Hormone ADH. So that it reabsorbed water. But if at all there is too much water in your body, is ADH produced? No. But I'll come into the details tomorrow. Let me save this one for tomorrow. But we'll come to look at this tomorrow. Today we just wanted to look at what the kidneys are, what the parts of the kidney, and also the parts of the internal structure of the kidney, so that tomorrow we go into the nephron. Now, tomorrow what we're looking at is this, the mechanism of the excretion, ultrafiltration. There's also ultrafiltration, which is this one, which is the nephron. There's then there's selective what? Reabsorption, and also what? Osmoregulation. Then after that, I think we'll come to disorders and disease of the kidney. I'll prepare the notes. Maybe tomorrow this topic will be done. I'll just give to my paper. I'll prepare from this part up to the end. So tomorrow I'll just give the papers if that topic is done. Next week we'll start looking at which is the excretion, the skin, and then we also look at what? Homostasis. Homostasis naive. I'm just preparing one lesson. All the notes I'm summarizing in one. Give to my paper. Osmosis is what? Done. Tapiamo futa hapo again. Tapiamo. Naenda kumachani manje. Hormones manje. Endocrine what? System. So next week, about 5 topics that are going to be done. Right. Mana one. Kai wazeni biology, science na chani. Pamande na pepe, whether kuli science, I'm also putting what? Biology. Because biology, nivambi, tilizamu ya hapa, para excretion, tulia, tamba excretion dero, hapa. Now we are talking about these parts about remaining. Apart from that, there is what? Grade 12. Grade 12, reproduction, it's okay. You have already done those things, you know them. We'll just give you questions and we will see. Hey, go and know. Go and know.